Essential first-time traveler tips. Navigating departure and arrival immigration requirements. Welcome to your gateway to globe-trotting. Embarking on your first journey can be thrilling yet daunting. But fear not, we're here to guide you through, ensuring a smooth takeoff into your adventure. Before you zip your bags and dream of skies, getting your passport is step one. Ensure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. This small detail is crucial for smooth sailing. Next up, visas. Each country has its own set of rules. Research is your best friend here. Some countries allow visa on arrival, while others require an application process. Don't leave this till the last minute. Understanding the customs and entry requirements of your destination is key. Some countries have specific entry rules, like proof of onward travel or vaccination certificates. A quick check with their embassy can save you a hassle. Packing smart is an art. Instead of cramming your entire closet, opt for versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Remember, less is more, and laundry facilities are almost always available. Travel insurance is not just a box to tick, it's your safety net abroad. From lost luggage to sudden illness, it's essential to have a backup plan. Don't overlook this crucial step. Familiarizing yourself with the local currency and having a small amount on hand upon arrival is wise. While card payments are widespread, there are places where cash is still king. Staying connected is easier than ever, but roaming charges can be a nightmare. Consider a local SIM card or an international plan to keep costs down. Staying in touch should not break the bank. Language can be a barrier or a bridge. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can greatly enhance your experience and interaction with locals. It's the effort that counts. Respecting local customs and traditions is paramount. What's normal in one place can be offensive in another. A little research goes a long way in ensuring you're a respectful visitor. Documentation is crucial, not just for legalities but for memories too. Keep digital copies of important documents and create a travel journal. Your future self will thank you for these tangible memories. Lastly, embrace the unknown with an open heart. First-time travel is a grand adventure, a leap into new experiences and cultures. Go forth with confidence, curiosity, and a sense of wonder. Safe travels!